Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Becerra family. Today is cooking with Wendy. Hoy vamos a cocinar algo muy rico. It's my first time actually trying this out, so we're gonna see if it actually comes out good, but it looks super good. Se llama sushi bake. So it's pretty much like sushi, pero como en una pan, and you put it in the oven, so it's like a hot sushi. And yeah, I'm so excited to make it. I saw it all over TikTok. I was like, voy a tratar de hacerlo. Fui a la tienda hoy y I was looking like crazy looking for it in imitation crab, and no lo podía encontrar. I went to Trader Joe's, Costco, Sprouts. Yes, like fui a La Vallarta, I finally found it. But these are all the other ingredients that you need. You need this. Excuse me if I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's furikake. It's como seaweed, and it's a multi-purpose Japanese seasoning, so it's pretty much like seaweed with sesame seeds and nori, salt and stuff. So you just put it on. It's kind of like a seasoning. Then we have a rice vinegar, spicy mayo. It's like Asian mayo, which is like the key ingredient, because I went crazy looking for this too. I finally found it in an Asian market out here in the AV in East Palmdale. I found the Asian market and I was able to find this mayo. We also have seaweed. I got this at Trader Joe's. And we have this rice, which is the short grain rice, which is this is the rice they use to make sushi. So we're gonna put this in the rice cooker. So my rice cooker lo compré en Amazon y me encanta. Es este. The brand is Hamilton Beach. And that's it. So we're gonna make 2 cups of rice. How you make rice is whatever. If you do 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. So you make the double. 2 cups of rice is 4 cups of water. You need to make sure your white rice is clear of the water. So this one comes with this. It came with this, so now we're just gonna dump out the water and rinse it. See, now our water is clear and ready to be cooked. 45 minutes. Mientras vamos a hacer el salmón and cook that stuff. Okay, so we have our salmon right here. Go ahead and cut it up into little squares. Okay, now we're gonna season our salmon with some garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper, and we're gonna mix it all together. Transferred it to a baking pan. I'm gonna cook this in the oven for 400 degrees. And for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna put Joseph's lunches, his salmon. But what I'm gonna make different is I have this spicy honey sauce from Trader Joe's that I'm gonna be adding to the salmon. My husband's over here dedicating me songs. He's at the gym. We're just gonna drizzle some of this on top of the salmon. Yo me gusta cuando cocino aprovechar de hacer la cena y hacerle uno de sus lonches para así ya avanzar y no tener que empacarle lonches todos los días. Because now I feel like I'm in the kitchen every freaking day, 24/7. So like this, I feel like I advance a little bit. And while that is cooking, I have the oven ready. Yo aprovecho de hacer de todo y todo cuando tengo el oven prendido o estoy aquí en la cocina. So these are Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's. They come with Parmesan cheese. You put it in the oven for 20 minutes and you got the side of veggies done. So, así parecen. We're gonna do the crab now. Ya se está despertando Ezra, pero here we have the imitation crab. Compré una libra de imitation crab, and now we're just gonna shred it or cut it into small pieces. If you have one of those hand blenders, you can shred it really easily. I don't. And he's up. Well, at least I got a few stuff done. Let me go get him. And we're back. ¿Dormiste bien? ¿Sí? It's already 5:30, so this is his last nap before bedtime. So right now he's gonna have dinner. Ahorita que se le pase lo modorro, I'll give him some dinner. Le voy a dar unas lentejas. ¿Quieres lentejas? So let me show you guys the lentejas I give him, porque para que salga una vida fácil, chicas. For a girl, but honestly, I buy these from Sprouts. They're organic lentils. They literally have super clean ingredients. And ya están cocinadas y todo, and you just put it in the microwave. And I already steamed some veggies for him, so I'm gonna add that into that. Y eso es lo que va a comer. Aquí está lo que va a comer Ezra, unas lentejas, zanahorias, and broccoli. So aquí lo tengo en su sillita right next to me so I can finish cooking, porque si no aquí va a estar todo el día. Okay, miren, ya quedó el salmón. It's already cooked. This one looks a little burnt, but it's not burnt. It's the honey from the sides that got burnt. But our salmon came out nice and good. And our Brussels sprouts. Oh, really good. Shred the crab. And our rice is done too, so I just turned that off. Come, amor. After he finishes eating, I give him like a few of those baby puffs as like a little treat. His motor skills to like pick it up and put it in his mouth. Y se entretiene un rato. Shred it and it's ready. Okay, now that we finished shredding this, ya está el salmón, we are going to combine it with this, with the crab. Cream cheese into here. I don't have measurements, just put whatever you want. You know, if you don't have Japanese mayo, they say you could use regular mayo too and it's gonna taste the same. But I wanted it to be like more like the recipe, so Japanese mayo. And the holy grail sriracha. You guys know how hard this is to find, so we've been trying to like savor it as much as. And now we're gonna mix it all up. Mix it all up, mix it all up. Our rice ya está listo. Miren nomás qué bonito quedó. Nice white and steamy. And I don't have another pan, so I'm gonna have to use another one like this. Está poquito onda, so hopefully this works because I feel like this one is way too big. So we're gonna get our rice and we are gonna place it over here and make it like como one layer. It's gonna be like our base, you know. It's like big pieces of seaweed for the second layer, so we're just gonna shred this one up like this. Now we're gonna bake this at 380 for 10 minutes. So my oven's already ready. I'll put a timer for 10 minutes. Y también estando aprovechando, I forgot I had defrosted this chicken, so I'm just gonna throw it in the oven to have chicken for this week. For Joseph, his meal, other meals, so. Okay, I cut up some green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call it, but we're gonna drizzle some sriracha. some spicy mayo. Walmart. You can find this at Trader Joe's. Y así quedó. It looks super delicious. We're gonna try right now que llegue Joseph. So Joseph just got home. Good thing because yeah, todo está calentito. So
Damn, girl, look at that. Woo.
looks good.
Hell yeah.
It smells good too, huh?
Damn, bro, have you guys seen this? Have they seen it?
Yeah.
Damn, that's good, man.
We're gonna eat it. So en vez de tortilla, so some seaweed, and you just put it on the side and eat it like a little taco. So we're gonna try it out. But a ver cómo quedó. Is it good?
Taste test.
You already tasted it, huh?
It's bomb, dude.
Cheers. Mmm.
There's another pack of the seaweed?
Yeah. You didn't want me to buy any.
No, I said we might have some already.
I bought them at Trader Joe's because we had none.
We don't have any?
Should I make it again?
Bro, 1000% good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This bomb? Emma's gonna try it out. She likes salmon and she likes sushi, so we're gonna see if she likes this combination. Spicy? If you like sushi, try this out. And let me know if you guys recreate this recipe. Tag me on Instagram or let me know in the comments.